I don't know what we'd do without your generosity. You're so kind. Sipsy, honey, especially you. Look what you've done.
Welcome, Miss Threadgood. Give me that rascal, you.
Oh! Jump on back.
I don't think there ever was a sweeter boy than Buddy Threadgood.
You look beautiful today, Lily.
Really, you sure do.
I had the biggest crush on him. He was a terrible flirt. But his heart belonged to Ruth Jameson. Now, she was the daughter of a friend of his mama's who was visiting that summer.
Ruth Jameson, you're just the one I've been looking for.
Are you thirsty?
Let's go visit someplace else. Think that's a big lake? You should have seen the one next to our house. We used to swim in it and fish. I sure do miss it. Sure do.
Well, what happened to it? Did it dry up?
No, worse than that. See, last fall, a big flock of ducks, about 40 or 50 of them, landed right smack in the middle of it. While they were sitting there, this fluke thing happened. See, the temperature dropped so fast that the whole lake froze. In 3 seconds, just like that.
No, those poor little ducks. Did it kill them?
No, they flew off and took the lake with them. Why, to this very day, that lake is somewhere over in Georgia.
Buddy Threadgood.
Just come a little closer. Oh, maybe so. Come here. Whoa. Back here, Mr. Hat. Where do you think you're going? Oh, I got it. Hold on, Ruth. Hold on a little bit. It's all right. I got it. Come here, you damn hat. Got it. Oh, I meant to do that. I got it. Ta-da! All right. Bam. Come on. Come on. Get up. Get up.
Buddy! Buddy! Buddy Threadgood! Oh, Buddy! Now,
Get up. Get out of there.
Come on now. You gotta go back to the house with you. It's gonna be okay. You cannot go there. Come on, we're gonna go home. We're gonna have the control. It's gonna be okay.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want.
Oh, it like to have killed us all. But nary one took it as hard as Itchy.
He leadeth me in the paths of righteousness for his name's sake.
Everyone thought she'd die right along with them.
Valley of death, I shall fear no evil.
Night after night, she stayed by the river. Big George was the only soul she'd let near her, and he watched over her night and day. You know, a heart can be broken, but it still keeps a beating just the same.
Oh, Miss Itchy, you'll have to keep this blanket on. You'll catch your death of cold. You hear me now?
That's so sad. Would you like one of these?
Oh, thank you, honey.